Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 1 over 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. dv that is about ds over s squared. The integration of this one that is about v equals to negative 1 over s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So 1 over 2 with the negative, we have positive. So we have the integration e to the power of 1 over 2s over s ds. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over 2s because we have s. So I will put number 2 go to the left. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. This one we change for u. S that is about 2u. ds that is about this one. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. The integration of this one, we have exponential integral of u. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now, we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.